Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to start off by saying I'm so sorry for not uploading in so long. I've been really busy with work and it gets super tiring, so I hope you guys can understand. Today will not be ASMR. I will actually be trying sweets from around the world. I got them from the international market, which is probably about an hour or so away from my hometown. We don't have much of this here, so when I go, I get what I can. I've got about 17 things here to try. They're mostly chocolate, and I didn't realize that I got so much chocolate until I got home. So, I'm sorry. But, let's go ahead and just jump right into it. And again, I'm so sorry for not uploading for so long. And I'm sorry this isn't an ASMR video, but it's just something fun to do. I'm going to go ahead and start with this one. It is called, it looks like it's called a safari. It's kind of like a Kinder Surprise egg, but as most of you know, those are actually illegal in America because choking hazards or whatever. Point of the story is I wasn't going to order them offline just to be shipped here. That's too much for me. So, take it out of the box. Here's what the outer packaging looks like. It's a little cute giraffe. And it's just foil. And I actually think that the toy is not in this egg. I'm pretty sure it's in the box. Let's go ahead. I hate ripping the foil. I always try to open them so delicately. Here's what the egg looks like. I'm actually going to break this in the package so I don't have chocolate all over my face. Alrighty. So that's what a piece looks like, just your typical chocolate. It's alright. Kind of just tastes like that cheap Halloween chocolate that you get at Halloween or whatever. These are what's inside. They kind of look like M&M's. Same kind of chocolate, just in a shell. I don't really like that. Let's see what toy we got. Such a big kid. Kind of looks like a little gun. Alright, so it looks like you stick this on the end. Look at me, you can't even work children's toys. Kind of looks like you just stick it on the end and shoot it. Such a cheap toy. Okay, moving on. I do not like that one. I give that one probably like a 3 out of 10. Alright, so next one I'll be trying. It looks like it is from Japan or somewhere. If I say something is from somewhere that's not, I truly apologize. And they're called Mini Cola. Looks like it's in a little Coke can. I'm not really sure how you get this open. I probably should have opened these before I started, but I wasn't really thinking it through. Okay, so they actually do smell like Coke. Just stir it up here a little bit. And I don't want that many because I don't know what they taste like. Kind of just look like this. I think they used to sell these when I was a kid here. They were like different flavors other than Coke, and they foamed in your mouth, kinda. So they just taste. They're a little sour. They just kind of taste like flat Coke. I give those ones a a 4 out of 10. They're better than the first thing. Alright, so next thing I want to try, might as well. I want to try this. I've had normal Pocky before, just the chocolate kind, but this is cookies and cream. I don't know where these are from. I think they might be from Japan, maybe. Again, I'm sorry if it's wrong, because I don't know. I'm just taking guesses. Alright. It helps if I could get this open. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Looks kind of like just, I don't know why that won't focus, but kind of just looks like a normal Pocky stick, but with bumps on it, which would obviously be the cookie. They're not as good as normal Pocky, but it ain't bad. I give those 6 out of 10. Not bad. Next thing I'm actually going to try is, I'm going to cleanse my palate and just get a drink of this fancy water I found down there. It's just spring water, but it's from somewhere. It's from Bethania, Wales. I probably butchered that besides the Wales, but it's literally just bottled spring water. Okay, my palate is cleansed. Alright, next thing I'm gonna try will be this. It is just a white chocolate bar. I think it's from Germany, maybe? But I don't know. I like white chocolate, so I got it. I can't get this open. There we go. Sorry if it looks a little lumpier than usual, like down here in this corner. I left it in my car for like a couple hours and most of the chocolate got kind of melted, so I stuck it in the freezer. Ugh. Oh no. This is not good. Ew. That is disgusting. And I'm sorry if I don't like something that is from your area. I don't mean it to offend you. I'm already a picky eater, so some things I just won't like. But that was not good. Ugh. Ugh. Nasty. Okay. Next thing I think I'm gonna try is this Duvalin. I don't know. It's from Mexico. And it says it is skimmed milk candy, hazelnut, vanilla, and strawberry. I can't read Spanish, so I was going to try to read it and then I changed my mind. went everywhere. Right, so this one is hazelnut and vanilla. So it looks like on the back. This one is strawberry and hazelnut. It looks like. And these are both hazelnut and vanilla. I don't know why it only had 2 different flavors when it said it had 4, but okay. So I think I'm just gonna try the hazelnut and vanilla because I'm not a big fan of strawberry, so not in like a creamy form. I don't have anything to eat this with. Actually, I made something earlier, so I could already have it ready for this video. This is like a little breadstick thing, like a little cookie or biscuit or wherever in the world you're from. I'm just gonna try to get both up in here. Not too bad. Kind of just tastes like Nutella. It's really good though. I'll probably be eating that later. Okay, so next thing I want to try, I'm pretty excited about because I've seen a lot of people try them before. I'm not really sure where they're from. They're sour satellite wafers filled with sour powder. It says, these are actually from America. It says, satellite wafers have been in America since the 1950s. This nostalgic candy is well known out east. People love these candies so much they will do just about anything to get their hands on them. I don't believe that, but let's try them. Maybe. Alright, so I think I'm going to go with a little pink one. Sounds like there's stuff in them. Obviously, sour powder. That down there. Kind of just tastes like plastic. Ew, I don't like that. Oh, by the way, I give that white chocolate bar like a 0 out of 10. I give these probably like an 8 out of 10. And I give those like a 1 out of 10. Still better than that white chocolate that I had earlier. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and try this, it's a pop, and the theme song for it is from Mighty Mouse, Here I Come to Save the Day, and it's blue cream. I just thought it looked cute. So we will see. I don't even know if this is a twist top. Hopefully, yep, it is. Ooh. Has kind of a funny smell to it. It tastes kind of like a, if you've ever had Barq's cream soda, it tastes like that, but not as good. Kind of like just a bad version of it. Yep. I give this one, ooh, kind of has a chemical taste to it. So I give this one like a 2 out of 10. I feel like I'm giving everything low numbers and I'm so sorry. I'll go ahead and try these. There are 7-round cheese rings. I don't know where they're from. Nope. It smells super artificial. That's what they look like. Nope. 0 out of 10. That was terrible. Tasted really fake. It's not like powdered cheese that would come on like Cheetos or something. It's just like a really stale, bad Cheez-It. I'm sorry, I look a hot mess today. Alright, so next I'm gonna try these. I don't even know how to pronounce these, so I'm not even gonna try. And these, no, I know they're from Mexico. And it says wafer with chocolate coating. This video is going to be really long. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It started off to not be very good, but it's not too bad. Not something that I would eat every day. I give that one like a 5 out of 10. Next thing I'm going to try is from Kinder. Because believe it or not, we can buy some things that are Kinder here, just not the eggs. And they're called Happy Hippo Cocoa Cream Biscuits. That's what the packaging looks like. I just got them because they look really cute, and usually Kinder stuff is pretty good. Oh my gosh. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little hippo. Okay, well, that's really good. I think the middle got a little melted though. Still really good though. The chocolate on the inside kind of tastes like something I've had before, but I can't think of it right now. Messy. Alright. Okay, so those are good. I give those like a 9 out of 10. Next thing I'm going to be trying is Maltesers Teasers. Instead of the little balls, it's just the bar. I'm going to start going through things a little bit quicker because this video is about to hit 20 minutes. So that's what it looks like. Looks kind of like a Crunch bar. It is really good. I'm pretty sure that this is from England or Great Britain. I'm sorry. My mind's going really blank right now. But wherever it's from, it's good. Alright. Ooh. Throwing things over here. Oh, next thing is called a ripple. I don't really know what's in it, but we're gonna try it. It's kind of like just looks like chocolate. Ooh. It's good, but everything's getting super sweet. Too many sweets. Too much chocolate for me. Ooh. My head is gonna hurt after this. Alright. So I have 2 more things to try. Well, 4 more things to try. 2 drinks and 2 candies. Next thing I'm going to try is called Polo Fruits. The Sweets with the Hole. Pretty sure these are also from Britain. I think these are kind of like Lifesavers, but the fruity kind. I'm gonna try a red one. And so they look like, they just look like a skinnier version of the Lifesavers. Over here in America, everything has to be supersized. Like, that's why a lot of Americans are fat. Like most of the population here is overweight. Okay, these are good. You guys are on top of your game with the candy. I'm gonna go ahead and spit it out so I can finish up. Next thing I'm going to try is called a Zeke cocktail, and this is like a drink from a series, and they're based off of the Dead World comic book, and it's called Zeke cocktail, which is supposed to be the flavor. Zoms is the flavor, and it's actually cotton candy. That's what the front looks like. And it looks orange-ish on here, but it's actually pink. And I don't know if this is a twist top or not. Alright. The aftertaste is better than the actual pop itself, but it's not too bad. I probably won't drink the rest of that, and I probably won't eat the rest of most of this candy, but if you guys want me to make an ASMR video of me like eating, like the eating sounds or whatever, let me know in the comments below, if you even make it this far in the video. Okay, so the last food I have are these little things. They're in a container because I had to make them myself. They're supposed to be little mushrooms. I don't even know how to get this out. I think I might have made them wrong because I didn't heat them up over the stove or in like hot water like you're supposed to. I just kind of heated them up in the microwave, so none of them are coming out. You know what, whatever. They're not gonna come out, but I'll scoop them out with the sticks. Same difference, right? Not too bad. Not too bad. I have a freaking disaster over here. I'm gonna have to do a lot of cleaning when I'm finished. Last thing I'm gonna try, I just got it because it was cute. I don't even know if it'll be good, but it's a kid's drink, so I'm assuming it won't be too awful bad. It's called a Bercitos, and it's a koala bear with like a little sippy straw on the top. Does not say what flavor this is, but I usually like red, so I got red. Twist off the top, kind of like tops of the Kool-Aid jammers or whatever. And that's what it looks like. It's a really small thing, but it is for a child, so go figure. Oh yeah. You know, you know those candies that are in like wax bottles and they're like this tall and they're actually like the juice is in like the wax and you like bite the top off and it's just, there's just a little smidgen of juice in there that you drink. That's what this tastes like. Let me know in the comments below if you know what I'm talking about. But other than that, that is all I have for today. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of these videos. I know the quality is awful. I'm just recording off of my laptop camera. So, just let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see more ASMR, let me know what kind. I know somebody requested match lighting and like a couple other things. I'll have to go back and look. But, yeah. So just let me know what you guys want to see down below in the comments. And leave a like on this video and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye!